What's up, guys? It's Desert Bug out again. Wanted to do a little video on these small little 1/3 scale Glocks that popped up on eBay. This one is the ones that I saw on there there was a Glock 19X and a Glock 45, and this one's the Glock 45 one. So it's 1/3 scale, just like the Alloy Empire Glock 17. Except there's a lot of big differences. Okay, so this one is attached to a little keychain thing. I took it off because I wasn't planning on using it as a keychain, but anyhow, I bought the pink one just because, I don't know, I felt like it was gonna be the rarest one. But anyways, I'm probably gonna go in, and he has, or whoever it is that sells, has a black and tan color one, so I'm probably going to end up getting both. But anyways, so this one is it's, as of making this video, it was about I think 20 bucks on eBay, $19.99 or something like that. And then this one is the Alloy Empire one, you guys all know about, with the rounds. Anyhow, so this one right here, it's all plastic, as opposed to the Alloy Empire. The top part is metal, along with the mag and the little pieces. But this one is completely plastic. I mean, it's a lot lighter, but it's cheaper. However, the cool thing about these is, I mean, you can take the mag out. You can't put any dummy rounds in it or anything like that, but you can take the mag out. You can cock it. You can pull the trigger when you cock it. You can take it apart. If I can get it apart. Oh, probably have to pull the mag out. Let's see if I can do it. Anyways, I don't want to force it, but I know I pulled it apart once. But anyhow, you can pull it apart. For some reason, I just can't get it right now, and I don't want to force it. Anyhow, you can you know, open the slide, leave it open, just float. Yeah. But yeah, I mean, it's not bad. You see the spring, this comes off too, so you can probably pull it apart all the way. Anyways, it's pretty cool. But you know, it's really light, so this one I'd be willing to put on my keychain, but not this one. This one, I believe, came with a... Did it come with a key ring too? It might have. This one has all the branding. This one has no branding on it, but you can clearly tell what it is. But either way, I mean, just for size, I mean, it's pretty close, and I still think it's pretty cool. I mean, I wish the top was metal, but either way, it's still cool. It's a little miniature Glock 45, Glock 17, both from eBay. Peace.